For those who are new, welcome to my channel, ThatGirlKyee. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did my DIY body butter using 3 ingredients. So to start off, number 1 is cocoa butter, 100% raw cocoa butter. I will link all the products that I used in the description box below. And then I got this African shea butter. Got this from, I believe, Target. And then, coconut oil. Yes, 100% organic virgin coconut oil. So if you guys are still interested in seeing how I created my DIY body butter, which it will be great for winter, fall, summer, spring months, so it'll be great for all year round if you want, then keep watching because this is gonna be fire. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna start off with a mixing bowl, cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. So now that I have my ingredients, I'm going to put a half a cup of everything. So half a cup of coconut oil, a half a cup of shea butter, and a half a cup of cocoa butter. Now once I did that, I added it to the eye and I put it at about 5, not too high, not too low. Now once on, I just allowed all of them to just melt, as you can see. And once all is melted, I made sure that all the oil was basically cooled down. You don't want to burn or anything like that. So once it's cooled down, I put it back into the mixing pot. And I put it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes or until hardened. So whenever it gets its solid form back, which is really good, and it doesn't have to be super solid like I just did, as you can see, but it's definitely solid. And now it's time to mix so we can have that whipped texture. Now as you can see, mine is super hard, but it worked out. Now you guys can add essential oils, lavender, just to make it smell better, because you are putting this on your skin. But if you don't want to and you just want to use this as your hair, you can still put that as well. So this is also used for your hair. It's like a hair sealant. It's really good. It's very moisturizing and it's really great for your skin. I had my mom try it and she was just like, yes, Kaya. Now it does smell kind of, you know, shea buttery, but that's what those oils are for. Now these are my finishing results. I put it in this jar that I found from Home Goods. And yes, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next time.